Today we're going to replace the cabin filter on this 2015 Toyota Sienna. Alright, the first thing you want to do is open up the glove compartment over on the passenger side. We're going to go ahead and release it from here. Just pop that out and we're going to push this in and this one in as well. Push them in and then pull out. And there it is. This comes down and out. Perfect. Now we have access to our cabin filter here. Let's go ahead and pop this door here open and this other one here. You might need both hands. Alright, and here is our filter. There it is going up. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Super dirty cabin filter. We have the replacement there, CAF 1816P. Let's go ahead and grab the new one and let's take it out of its bag. And let's compare both filters. Yikes. Alright, so let's go ahead. Airflow. We want the airflow to go down. Like so. Airflow. So we're going to go ahead and install this right in here. Perfect. Let's go ahead and put our cap right back on. Perfect. Let's go ahead and mount this back on. Just like so right there. And then bring this in. And it hooks on. Grab our little pump here to slowly release the door. There it is. Boom. And that is how you install a new cabin air filter on a 2015 Toyota Sienna. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.